Hello, let us solve this WAEC 2023 OPK question number 14. We are asked to change the subject of formula. Make X the subject of the relation. If you are new here, don't forget to join our YouTube community for a regular live class as you prepare for your WAEC and NECO. Also remember to subscribe to my channel for more of our content. Now, to solve this question, I used to tell my students, if you see bracket, clear the bracket first. If you see fraction, clear the fraction first as you go about solving the change of subject formula. Now, the x we want to change the subject, we want to make as subject is at the top or the numerator of the fraction. So what we're going to do is, number one, clear the fraction. And to clear the fraction, we're going to multiply both sides by 3z. So if we multiply both sides by 3z, we're going to have y multiplied by 3z, and that will be equal to ax cubed minus b divided by 3z, and this will be multiplied by 3z. Now from this expression, you see that 3z, we simply clear 3z here. And what next? We're going to have that expression to now be y multiplied by 3z, and this will be equal to ax to the power of 3 minus b. So the next thing we're going to do is to clear b from both sides, because b is another obstacle. Now to clear b from both sides, I'll simply add b to both sides. So if I add b to both sides, I'll have y multiplied by 3z plus b, and this will be equal to ax to the power of 3 minus b plus b. Now what this will simply do is b will simply clear b, and I'll be left with a to the power of 3 on the right side. So this is going to give me 3yz plus b, and this will be equal to ax to the power of 3. What next? Now the next thing is to clear a, because a is the obstacle to having x stay alone. So we are going to divide both sides by a. Now if I divide here by a, and I divide here by a, what I'm going to do now is to clear a, and what will be left on the other side is x to the power of 3. Now having gotten x to the power of 3, I'll have my 3yz plus b divided by a, right? So the next thing I'll have to do is to clear the cube. Now how do I clear the cube? Is by taking the cube root of both sides. Now if I take the cube root of both sides, I'll have my x to the power of 3 to be equal to 3yz plus b divided by a. So taking the cube root of both sides, I'll have this expression to now give us the cube root of the right hand side divided by the cube root by a, and this cube root will have to clear cube root, and we'll be left with what? With s. So our s will be equal to the cube root of 3yz plus b divided by a, and as is the value of a, the value of a in relation to the whole expression. Now remember, the question says you should make s the subject of the relation. So x is equal to the cube root of 3yz plus b all over a. Now to watch further some other the subsequent objective question, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be prompted when such solutions pops up. As you prepare for your exams, don't forget to join our YouTube community so that you can be able to get a regular feed of our live classes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also remember to share our videos with friends. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.